Okay guys, we're back to working on the boat project here, and I started putting this rubber trim back on here. I'm just going to take and use rivets, and right now I don't have enough rivets, so I'm doing spaces. So I'm two space rivet, and then I'll just order more rivets. Sometimes I can't do two spaces because it's been off for a while and the rubber has seemed to shrunk. So, got to...
Plus it sat out on our back porch in the sun for like 2 months.
It did. For some odd reason we were cleaning it and then we forgot about it and had to clean it again because it was all molded.
Yeah.
So, I'm going to show you how I'm putting this in. And I'm using pop rivets, but since my rivet tool seems to not be catching as well, they won't pop. So I have to break them off. I'll show you how to do that as well. So let's get into this. Okay, so as I pull this along the boat, I'm taking and spacing this out every 4 inches, and then I have to use my rivet as kind of leverage to get in the hole. And this is, I guess, just for this trim. Normally I don't have to really work to get the rivet in there, but I get a few rivets in, and then I'll come back and pop them. So let me get a few in. Okay, and so I have 4 rivets in. I'm not going to tighten that last rivet because I don't want it to, I want to get more rivets in. Now I'll pull these up until my rivet gun strips off, and that's not coming off. And then if you have a crappy rivet gun like me, just take a pair of pliers and break these off. They break off pretty easy. They've already stretched. And there you go. And once I get more rivets, I'll come through and just fill in the gaps. And then we have a weather stripping, and we'll go ahead and put our other strip in here. You tell them, Bella. Okay guys, so I used up all the rivets I had, and I got it all pinned up. I just have to come back and fill in some of the gaps where I didn't put rivets. And
because we ran out.
Yeah, I only had 50. So really easy. The hard part was, of course, this contracted, so stretch it back to meet the holes because you want to go all the way around.
Because we left it out in the sun.
Of course, I left it out in the sun. My fault. So I'm all smelly good now, huh?
No, he's fine. He's been sweating a lot putting this on. It's kind of hot right now in Florida, though. So
I got that good smell.
It's 80 degrees. So.
Manly smell. So hopefully this helped you. You know, riveting. You know, it's fairly simple. And
but we also thought we were going to replace it because it was so bad. When we took it off this boat, it was so disgusting. It had mold in, I mean, it looked like it was dry rotted as well. But we cleaned it up with some products and it was rubber again, so we reused it.
Yeah, and I'm going to come in with some tire cleaner, and that will give it that luster that we're looking for. But if this was helpful for you, leave a comment down below. If not, and you think I could have improved on something, leave that down below too.
Budget friendly.
It is budget friendly. We're recycling parts.
Right.
If you're looking for great recipes, good eats, check out diningwithdanielle.com.
Had a good one come out today.
Today, it was awesome. It was awesome.
Yeah.
And so actually it would be Wednesday. So whenever this video releases, they're released on Wednesday.
Wednesday recipes.
And if you like this channel, subscribe. And be sure to hit that little bell thingy, get some reminders.
I mean, if you want to, I mean.
Only if you want to.
Yeah.
It does a ding-a-ling.
Ding.
Ding. And then if you like this video, hit that like button. It's right down there. Looks like this. And if you're looking for other videos we did on this boat, or just other videos in general, just look through our channel. We have a lot of weird variety of stuff we do. Cars, boats.
We like to call it life.
Hobbies, reviews, whatever.
Right.
And I think that's it.
Yeah. So we'll see you guys next time.
Y'all take care.
Bye.